guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, the beauty world was freaking rocked when Urban Decay came out and said that they are discontinuing their Naked palette. If you're not familiar, the Naked palette came out in 2010 and immediately took the world by storm. It was a huge selling palette. Everyone needed to have it. Every video on YouTube was using this palette. Its popularity has only grown and it is one of their best sellers. So why they would be discontinuing it, I have no idea. This is the original Naked palette. I bought this in 2010. Now folks, you are not supposed to keep makeup this long, so do as I say, not as I do, but yes, I still have and still very much use my original Naked palette from 2010. Now, I have two theories about why this is being discontinued. My first theory is that they might reformulate the eyeshadows inside and come back with a bang saying, oh, it's back from the dead or something like that. My second theory, offered to me by a friend, is that maybe they are getting rid of this packaging, which would please me immensely. I've talked about this before, but velvet and crushed velvet literally makes me nauseated. Holding this right now is very difficult for me. This is genuinely how I usually hold this palette when I use this, and I use it often. I hold it with a tissue so that I don't feel the outside. But in general, the outside gets gunky and it gets like dust on it and little hairs are caught on it from my cat, and it's just what's in the air. So this package attracts anything nasty to it. So maybe they're gonna go for a sleeker, more beautiful packaging. Who knows? Either way, I don't fully believe that they're discontinuing this altogether. That being said, this Naked palette in this packaging is now on sale for $27, normally $54. That means that for 12 eyeshadows, you are only paying $2.25 per eyeshadow as this flips over. Now you can probably see this package is well loved and well beat the hell up. Naked is one of my favorite colors of all time. It is the My Skin But Better. It is what I put on my lid before I put lots of other colors. I love this palette. I really do believe that it's a must-have in any collection. I think I plan on buying a few of these just to give out as gifts around Christmas time because I really think everybody of every skin tone can get some use out of this palette. So what I wanted to do today is show you guys my go-to look with this palette. This is not going to be anything extremely fancy with a blown out cat eye. This is going to be an easy, everyday look that literally anyone can do. This is what I do on mornings that I'm rushing and I have no idea what I feel like doing. So if you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned. I forgot to give my spiel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like tutorials and if you like knowing about product launches and things that are going on in the beauty world. Subscribe if you haven't already and go ahead and smash that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I don't know why I'm doing this, but let's get right into this look. I'm gonna zoom you in. When you're this close on my face, you can see my pimples and you can see where my foundation settles in, and you can probably see my gray roots, but they're getting touched up on Wednesday, girls, so don't feel bad. I'm going in with my favorite color, which is Naked, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid, sort of as a base and to tone down any redness. Next, I actually want to go in with my highlight color, which is Virgin, and I'm going to put that under the brow bone. The next color is Buck. I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush and just buff that into my crease really gently. It's not supposed to look extreme. It's just supposed to be kind of a gentle wash of color in the crease to make your eyes stand out. Then next is my other favorite color in this palette. This is Half Baked. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous foiled gold shadow. You can use this with your finger. You can use it with a brush. I like to use it with a brush that is wet, and it is the most beautiful gold. I'm gonna go in with Hustle, and I'm gonna put that right on the outer edge of my crease just to deepen it a tiny bit and a little tiny bit under the lower lash line. That's literally it for the eyeshadow I do. Now you can go ahead, you can apply a big winged liner, you can apply false lashes, anything you want to pump this look up, but on an average day, all I do is I put black pencil liner in my waterline and I tightline and I curl my lashes and apply mascara. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be right back. I also went ahead and applied some just nude lipstick, and This is my everyday look. This is my work look. This is my running out to buy groceries look. This is my happy look. So seriously, like, why would you get rid of this? Urban Decay, you better be messing with me. I'm only gonna be a little bit mad if you come back and you're like, surprise, reformulation. Anyway, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial. Tell me how you feel about the Naked One palette. It is something that is so close to my heart. So many people I know just were never into it though, but it has been my baby. If you're interested in buying yours for 27 bucks, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. You should totally buy one or 15 or like 75,000 of them. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. You guys are super freaking rock stars. I love you so, so, so much, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!